Yo, what up? It's Cali Eats. Been a minute. I got a breakfast burrito right here from Primo's. My favorite, the Papas breakfast burrito. It's super simple. It's got like eggs, potatoes, cheese, chipotle sauce, and some beans. I love it so much. They use like really nice tortillas. Ooh. All right, so, ooh, coming apart a little bit right there. So, I got it right here. Got some salsa. Let me take one little bite before I add that shit. They cook the eggs so well. Shout out. This one hits every time. Highly recommend it. If you're in Redlands, or honestly, they have locations all over. It's called Primos. And it's really good. Bro. The papas are crispy today too, man. I'm gonna go inside, eat this a little bit more comfortably, but have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching. Peace and love.